If you go off-roading or living in a snowy or hazardous area where you might get stuck, like on the beach where we go all the time, you're probably gonna wanna gear up with a winch on your four-wheel drive or your Jeep or even your UTV or ATV or whatever. This winch rope right here, I'm just showing it to you guys. We're replacing the wire cable. Those wire cables are non-pliable. This rope is extremely pliable. Like right there, you're not doing that with a wire cable. And also it's really safe to hold on to or grab or to yank tight if you need to yank, if you need some manpower or muscle juice. The reason why I'm switching is for those reasons. But I was a little bit concerned just because it's a rope, right? You're going from a wire to a rope and you should think wire's obviously gonna be a lot stronger than a rope, but this is actually rated to 8,000 pounds for the 1/4 inch and 10,000 pounds tensile strength for the 3/8 inch. So depending on what your needs are, that's more than enough to get you unstuck, to pull your vehicle out. It's more than enough to give it a little bit of tug. Now I'm not gonna be doing no tug of war with this, but that's not what a winch is for. It's just that slow churning power just to get you unstuck. Or even if you're 4-wheel driving, just to make sure that the hood of the car stays on the earth, if you know what I mean. So I was skeptical, but I've seen a lot of people in my area down at the beach swapping these out. They look aesthetically clean too. I kind of like the look of this orange as opposed to just the rust bucket of the metal. If you have a wire that you're looking to replace, I can't recommend this enough. Again, I've used these before down at the beach to get people unstuck and they work awesome. They're easy to maneuver, easy to slide in, to hook up to a vehicle that you're pulling or that you're winching out of, and it doesn't break. That's the biggest thing. It won't break on you. So if you're worried about that, don't be. This might just help you get out of your next big jam for sure.